This is how I thread my Singer 247 sewing machine. So I'm going to put my spool up here, and this has two parts. This loop part is for threading the machine, and this round part is for winding the bobbin. So we're threading the machine, we're going to pop it down and it just slides into place. There's an opening at the bottom. We're going to go down and it's going to go between the blades of the pressure foot. We're going to pull it up and that pulls the loop back, and when I let go it's going to be looped around the hook. And we're going to go up through here, back down, catch this loop, that loop, that loop, and all of this just slides right in. Oops, I say that. I'm doing this at sideways angle. We're going to blame that. And then we're going to trim a bit of thread off so it's easier to thread my needle. And if you put the foot down, you have a little bit more room to work. Thread through, and I use my finger to stabilize it, and then pull it through. And that is how I thread my sewing machine.